2024 has been a fantastic year for tech, with so many innovations flying off the shelves. From groundbreaking gadgets to futuristic devices, here are the top 5 tech products that people couldn't get enough of this year. First up, the Apple Vision Pro. This mixed reality headset was one of the hottest items of 2024. Its immersive experience, powered by Apple's M2 chip, made it a must-have for tech enthusiasts. Whether people were using it for work, gaming, or entertainment, the Vision Pro flew off the shelves, making it one of the most purchased products this year. Apple took a giant leap forward in the world of virtual and augmented reality. Next on the list we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This foldable phone was the talk of the town in 2024. With its sleek design and larger, more durable foldable display, it quickly became the go-to device for people looking to blend the best of a smartphone and a tablet. With improved multitasking features and a smooth user experience, the Z Fold 6 was a top seller, especially for those who wanted a more versatile mobile experience. Coming in at number 3, we have the Tesla Cybertruck. After years of anticipation, 2024 finally saw this electric truck hitting the roads. Its rugged, futuristic design and electric performance made it an instant hit with consumers. Whether for work or play, people couldn't resist the Cybertruck's power, range, and unique aesthetic. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. At number 4, the Sony PlayStation VR2 stole the show in the gaming world. This next-gen VR headset took gaming to a whole new level with stunning visuals, haptic feedback, and a wide range of immersive titles. Whether gamers were exploring new worlds or enjoying intense action, the PSVR2 became a must-have for PlayStation fans, making it one of the most popular tech products of the year. And last but certainly not least, the DJI Air 3 drone. This compact, powerful drone quickly became a favorite among content creators and hobbyists alike. With its 4K camera, stable flight, and intelligent features, the DJI Air 3 was perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial shots. Lightweight, portable, and packed with features, this drone was a game-changer in 2024, making it one of the best-selling tech items of the year. 2024 was an exciting year for tech, and these 5 products really stole the spotlight. Which one did you pick up, or which one are you planning to get in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more awesome tech content. See you in the next video.